Welcome back. Let's do question 423. Simplify the expression fully. What do we do with this power? We break the power. So it becomes 3 to the power x times 3 to the power 1 plus 3 to the power x. Remember, x to the power a plus b, which is the same as x to the power a times x to the power b. And then the denominator, let's write this as a product of its prime factors, that is 3 cubed. And then 3 to the power negative 1, we're breaking this power again, 3 to the power negative 1 times 3 to the power x. The numerator we can factorize. We can factor out 3 to the power x, so it becomes 3 to the power x outside. 3 to the power x times 3 divided by 3 to the power x, we remain with 3. Then plus 3 to the power x divided by 3 to the power x is 1. Then over 3 to the power 3, 3 to the power negative 1, 3 to the power x. Then 3 to the power x divided by 3 to the power x is 1. So we remain with 3 plus 1 over 3 to the power 3 times 3 to the power negative 1. So this is 4. And then using the laws of exponents, we can say 3 plus negative 1, which is 3 to the power 2. So this is 4 over 9.